How to add TPA to Aternos Server in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, once the software is installed, the plugins option should appear and you can search for a TPA plugin like Simple TPA or just Player TPA. Make sure the plugin version is compatible with your server's Minecraft version and download the plugins and upload it to your server. And after that, start the server and plugin should load. Most plugins create a configuration like config.yml and access the plugins files through the Aternos file manager. Modify the configuration file to adjust settings like cooldown times or permissions. And start the server after making changes to the configuration. And if your TPA plugin requires specific permission, you'll need to grant them. And in Aternos, you can give player OP like operator status, which includes all permission. Alternatively, you can use a permission plugin like Luckforms or Permission X to manage permissions more granularly. For example, to give a player permission to use the TPA command, you might need to grant them the tpa.tpa permission and according to the Aternos committee. So after that, you have to test the plugin. Like once the plugin installed and configured, test it by sending a teleport request to another player and check if the request is accepted or denied correctly. Verify the teleportation works as expected. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.